This is the easiest passive income strategy for beginners over 50, and I need you to hear me on this. It's not complicated, it's not tech heavy, and it does not require you to be on social media all day long. If you've ever felt like making money online is only for younger people or it's just too overwhelming to figure out, this video is going to feel like a breath of fresh air because today I'm breaking it down into 3 simple steps that can help you start building passive income from home even if you're starting from scratch. And make sure you stick with me because step number 3 is the part most beginners skip. And it's the reason so many people never actually see results. But first, really quick, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4 living in Missouri. And I didn't start this because I was some marketing expert. I started because I needed something that fit my real life. And I'll explain what I mean by that in just a second. So let me ask you something. Have you ever felt completely exhausted trying to figure out how people are making money online? Like you've tried different things, maybe Etsy, maybe affiliate marketing, maybe other side hustles. And it's not that you're lazy. It's that it feels like everything takes too much time, too much energy, and too much tech. That was me. I had to resign from teaching special education several years ago due to a chronic illness. And when that happened, I was trying to figure out, okay, what now? I started a wellness blog because I wanted to help other people feel healthier too. That led me to creating 2 Etsy shops. Then I tried Amazon affiliate marketing on top of that, then freelance writing and branding work on Fiverr. And none of those were bad. I actually enjoyed them, but I was doing what so many of us do. I was trying to piece everything together on my own. And here's the open loop, my friend. It wasn't until I found one simple shift that everything started to feel easier. All right, let's start with step 1 because this is where everything gets simpler. And honestly, this is the step that would have saved me years of spinning my wheels. Step 1 is choosing one proven digital income path instead of trying to build everything from scratch. Most people think passive income means that they need to create a course or become an influencer or spend months building some complicated online business, but you don't. The easiest way to start is by plugging into something that already works, a beginner-friendly system, a step-by-step process, because passive income doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right things in the right order. And in a second, I'm going to show you why this works so well for beginners over 50. But first, let me show you something that honestly inspired me so much when I first saw it. One of my mentors, Wendy, has done such a great job showing what's possible with digital products when you have the right system. Let me show you what I mean.
You do not need to post on social media every single day to do it. Okay, let me ground you in some real numbers here. Like in the last 30 days, I made over $72,000 using this exact strategy that I'm teaching you in this video, which honestly still blows my mind because that's more than I made in 2 full years at my 9 to 5. Now, of course, these results vary, and I'm not promising you this number, but what I am saying is that this method is real. It's repeatable and it's doable. Most people overcomplicate digital products. They spend months creating something and then they burn out trying to sell it. And I'm not going to gatekeep this here because once you understand the simple pieces, making money online starts to feel a lot less confusing.
Now, of course, results vary, and I'm not promising you any specific numbers. But what this shows you is that this model is real, it's repeatable, and it's not reserved for tech geniuses. And here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to be an expert. You just need a clear path. But once you choose the path, the next question becomes, okay, how do you actually turn this into passive income? That's step 2. And this is where it gets exciting. If you're thinking, okay, this makes sense, but I need to see how it all fits together, grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks this all down step by step. Step 2, set up a simple system that runs in the background. Step 2 is where passive income starts to feel real, because this is the part where you're not just learning anymore, you're building something that can work even when you're not online. Now, don't let that sound scary. A system is just a way for someone to find you, to learn from you, and purchase something from you without you having to explain everything one-on-one. That's what makes it passive. It's not about working harder. It's about setting up something once and letting it keep working for you. And I want to share something personal here because this was a huge turning point for me. Once I purchased the program I'm learning from, it honestly felt like someone finally turned the lights on. It showed me exactly what to do, step by step, in the right order, without me having to figure it all out alone. And what shocked me was how fast it came together. I had my website, my funnel, and my email system set up in about 48 hours. I finally had something real and working that I could build on. And that's what makes this so powerful, especially for beginners over 50, because we don't need more complexity, we need clarity. And I really want to say this clearly. Program I'm following is perfect for beginners of all ages. You don't need a degree. You don't need tech skills. You don't need social media following. Honestly, all you need to do is what Wendy and I are doing. Your phone, Wi-Fi, and about 2 hours a day. That's it. It's simple, it's flexible, and it fits real life, especially if you don't have endless energy or time. And that's why it finally felt doable for me. And here's what's so encouraging. I'm not the only one. Beginners are doing this every single day inside the community. So let me show you something that will probably surprise you. See the community that I'm in? Let's take a look here at some of the community wins. So you can see all these people posted about all these wins. Here's 4,100 this month. And $900 sale today on vacation. Relaxing on the couch with her children when she got a sale. First sale in November, $100 sale, $2,050 in January. This is one of my favorite parts because it's not just a few people. Many over 40 and 50 sharing wins inside the community all the time. And that's why I always tell people, you don't need more hustle. You need more simplicity. But now comes the big question. How do people actually get traffic without being glued to their phone all day? That's step 3. And it's the reason this strategy works so well for beginners over 50. Okay, lean in here, my friend, because step 3 is where the passive part really kicks in. Most beginners think they need to go viral to make money online, but you don't. Step 3 is using simple content to bring the right people to you over time, not complicated videos, not dancing, not posting 10 times a day, just sharing what you're learning, helping someone one step behind you, and letting platforms like YouTube do what they do best. Because YouTube content doesn't disappear in 24 hours. One video can bring in views for months. That's real passive income. And honestly, this is what finally clicked for me because I was exhausted. With my health, I needed something flexible, something that didn't take up all my time. I didn't want another side hustle. I wanted something sustainable. And that's why I love learning from a program that breaks it down step by step. Let me take you behind the scenes for a second.
Let's take a quick look at the digital growth community that I'm in. We have more than 58,000 members. So if we go to the classroom here, you can see some of the program that we're learning. You've got all these courses and lots of wonderful training about all the skills that you need for digital marketing. You can see all these tools. Here you can see the 30-day momentum map. Our mentor, Michelle, puts out a helpful tutorial video every day, and they're really short and easy to follow.
This is the program I'm personally walking through right now, and it's breaking everything down so clearly for beginners, which is exactly what I needed. And here's what I want you to hear. You're not behind, you're not too old, and you don't need to hustle like you're 25. You just need a simple strategy that fits your life. Now, I want to ask you something. What's the one thing you've tried in the past that left you feeling totally exhausted or overwhelmed when it comes to making money online? Was it tech, trying to do too much alone, feeling like you didn't know where to start? Drop it in the comments below because I read every single one and I truly want to connect with you. And if you're more of a visual learner, you're going to love my free Freedom Formula Blueprint. You can think of it as a free guide or a free class that shows you exactly how this whole system works step by step. It's linked right below in the description. So if you've been looking for the easiest passive income strategy to start after 50, it really comes down to this. Choose a proven path. Set up a simple system and share it in a way that fits your life. You don't need perfection, you just need your first step. And if you're ready, go grab that free blueprint below and I'll walk you through it. Now that you know the easiest passive income strategy for beginners over 50 in 3 simple steps, you might be wondering, okay, Lori, but how do you actually sell digital products online and keep 100% of the profit? That's exactly what I break down in my next video. So go watch this one right here because when you pair what you just learned today with what's in that video, it becomes so much more powerful. I'll see you over there.